It's moving. We're just looking for Starbucks now because we are way too early for our Airbnb check-in, which is at 3 or 4, and it's only like nine o'clock. Oh my god. We're looking for Starbucks with a cranky mom, which is 2 minutes away. There's a lot of construction here. Lost. We went out of the mall just for the Starbucks to be inside, so we're going back in. We have to queue for the lift. We exchanged bags because mine is super heavy. This place is so nice. Yes, can. Yes. We're at the Souvenir section now. All cutesy stuff. Souvenirs. These are like the Souvenir section is crazy. Look at that, so cute. They even have like Kuromi one. Oh my god. Everything here is so cute. I'm so excited for this. I beli ni. Kat heaven here, but I got this one. Do you get it? What is that? Oh, is it?
No, I'm just joking.
Hafiz got me the lemon Kit Kat a few years ago, and I love it so much, but it's like so hard to find. So I'm so happy to find it here. We came here for batteries only, but look at the lip balm. Oh, it's like one whole pack for $15. So cute. Their lip balm is next level.
Do you need plastic bag?
No. Macam sama je bulat. Dia macam stringy tak? Wow. Hafiz, what do you think?
Safe.
It's day 2. We're just walking towards the MRT now. Oh, look! This is the Shibuya go-kart. The suit company. It's so hot now. Like the sun's out. We just got drinks from vending machine. I got latte. What's yours?
Great. I think. I can't read Japanese.
Look at that. Oops, it's not zooming. A pigeon? What? Anik said this is a pigeon.
No, I'm just joking. Is it me? Same now.
Apa tu? Dia jadi patung mana?
Yeah, mannequin challenge. This park is quite big, and today it's free because it's Citizens Day. Yeah. Most of the animals outside is like birds.
Oh, this is a goose.
This is a goose.
I never see also know it's a goose.
No, there got right.
Never see.
The white-fronted goose.
Can you guys see the frog? Oh, look at the nose, so cute.
Kesian siya, yang tadi besar boleh dapat tank kecil. Dia kecil dapat tank besar.
No lah, dia ada banyak family members kat sini. Kat sini pun ada ikan lagi. Wait, where's the ikan? Dadah. We're heading to the main area. Oh, ada yang kat dalam. We're like at the main zoo area. The area is big.
Dia tutup lah on Sunday and public holiday.
Hafiz so excited for this.
Tutup actually.
Ya, dia kata tutup on Sunday and public holiday.
Kau jangan bodohkan aku lah.
Betul dekat.
Alah, tutup lah.
Kau takkan boleh duduk kat sini. Habis nanti dia lari lah habis kau datang.
Banyaknya.
Tadi? Ah, betul lagi.
見て見て何かこの子たちが何かくっついてる見てほら
Selalu kita ada cat kondo, tapi ini adalah goat kondo.
Antora pun cabut.
Ada TV lagi mari.
Apa ni?
You guys?
Oh, porcupine. Oh, kapibara lah.
Porcupine.
Kenapa ni benda Latifai?
Kesiannya, maybe dia tak.
Diorang taruh kat sini untuk kahwin.
Kahwin?
Ya.
Mana tahu? Oh, to make babies.
Oh, babies out masa ni. Ni masih kecil ni. Cute macam peanut.
Oh my god. Tu mak dia agaknya dia tengah hisap susu Dia lagi cari susu. Where is it?
Bronchius.
Lepus bronchi.
Bronchius.
Mana dia? Oh ni lah ni. Besarnya kapibara ni. Kapibara. There's one up there. Apa ni Nick? Apa kau cakap? Favorite.
Habis apa ni? Cincina.
You pun tak tahu B apa.
Aku tahu. It's meerkat.
I dah bilang you mestilah you tahu.
Capybara had a baby. Bam. That one.
Bam. So sexy.
Macam Rose dengan Jack. Jack drawing Rose.
Tengok ni. Yang relax. Tu kat atas tu.
Sebab diorang
Simba.
That one is their lookout. Kalau ada danger dia akan sound. Habis semua akan lari.
oh, so ni macam
Sentry duty lah. Sentry duty ni.
hyena.
Ni sentry dorang lah. Sentry duty dorang.
Kesian
Tengok kepala dia kecil. Dia tengok sini, tengok sana.
tu.
Tengok dia terkejut ni.
Why?
Apa dia terkejut ni?
Kenapa?
Tengok muka dia.
Kenapa dia macam tu?
Muka dia. Kau tengok muka dia ni. Dia cepat jumpa. Kasian korang.
Kesian korang.
Hello.
What's this?
Aku jemput korang
Wild boar. Kau ajar.
Ni. Tengok dia tunjuk buntut.
Siapa tu? Itu Cik Rosna.
Sebab
Cik Bab.
Cik babi. Ni lagi
Ada
satu.
swing guys. Ada swing tu. Naik jom.
Pakai duit apa?
Rosna.
Cik Rosna minta duit. Nak naik slide.
Besar biji kandang ni.
Yeah. It's very big. Kau tengah communicate dengan saudara kau. Hey.
Monkey.
Dia lagi tunjuk bontot dia.
Dia nak attack.
Dia tolak. Dia cakap ramai orang lah. Tak kat sini. Dia tunjuk bontot dia yang next tu. Dia tengah buat show lah.
Dia dah geng war ke?
I think they're angry.
Ni dead kot. Ni besar.
Ni, chonky kat atas.
Yo.
We're at this cat cafe. It's a building on its own. 18. Hello. What makes you think so? Dia mesti heran eh?
Titit-titit tu ah.
That's like toys. What's this? Okay, let's attract a cat. Let's find a cat. Ooh, a sleeping cat. Hello, kitty kitty. Hello, kitty kitty. Okay, he's obviously asleep. Meow. Hello, so cute. Hello, kitty. You wanna play? Tak heran dah.
So gila. Dia ni lagi. Dia tak kuasa.
Cute-nya dia letak muka macam ni.
Rasa ada orang di rumah tu.
Kau dah je terperanjat gitu. Oh ya. Tak kena lah muka dia pakai dress. Muka dia macam jantan habis dia pakai dress. Kan dia tak pakai dress. Aku tak nak. Excuse me. Can I see the thing? We're just like buying a bag. Is it?
Eco bag.
Oh, go bag. Bukan bag.
It's a reusable bag. It's cute.
Reusable bag.
It's cute. We're getting it in nude. Ibu dah masuk dah. Kita perlu pergi. We are finding food and I'm using the live location. Let me show. I'm in live view. Look, live view is so convenient because like there's a lot of alleys, right? Then like this one is like specific. Also, it's so windy right now. It's legit aircon weather. Damn, this is like my number one tip. I love this live view so much. Bye bye, ma.
Rice. Comedy.
What is this secret place? Are we actually going out? We're like this area. You get this. I think it's a squishy. We have. Okay, let's. Azal, tak cukup 100. Oh, kalau pusing nak kena pakai gashapon tak boleh masuk. Korang, kalau nak pusing kena pakai tak? Gashapon. Oh. Kecilnya. What the? Aku fikir dapat besar. Let's open this together. Yeah, say this is $3. Dah tak cute. Susah pun nak buka. Oh my god, susahnya nak buka. Oh, ada dua. Okay. Bro, it's not even squishy.
I told you it's not.
What is it?
I thought it's squishy.
Leceh.
I don't know what you feel. It's so hard.
Mampus macam tai.
Let's see.
I don't know what this is. Look at
We
it.
just wasted our $3.
Yeah. Hafiz gonna get this
Kau
one.
letakkan aku spin kau tak boleh spin tau. Dia 5.
Okay.
Ni lah.
Yeah. Kau nak kena pakai tau.
Nice. Okay, kakak kita tengok dulu.
Aku masak ais.
Okay, what are you manifesting for?
Manis Celestine.
What are you manifesting?
Aku nak ni. Aku nak ni. The white one.
Korang diam lah, Titi. Sebab aku nak tengok.
Kita tengok dulu.
Okay, kita tengok. Alamak.
Dapat.
Apa? Kenapa sih?
Colour biru punya.
Alah boring lah kalau biru. Apa lagi boleh beli?